Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. Yeah, nice day today. Not very windy, fairly warm. It's starting to cool right now, though. It's kind of cold in the shade. Well, not cold, but cool in the shade. And dogs have all been fed. Dogs had their chew treats after dinner. And only 3 of them are here. Dog and little girl. The pit bull disappeared somewhere. I don't see them around anywhere. But anyway, let me show you what I got going today. I did get the plexiglass ready for the windows for the sides of the dog condo, and I've got to work on framing the plexiglass first. That'll give me my window size, and then I've got to make a frame that fits into and it hinges on, that has kind of a little bit of a seal on the inside of it, an offset to act as a seal. And then I've got to mount the frame on the wall with a couple of screws, and then drill holes in the 4 corners and go inside the doghouse with the trim router and a trim router bit. And there's a fly bugging the heck out of me. Anyway, then I'll just cut out the wood all the way around and grab my air nailer and nail all the siding back onto that frame, and then mount the window on the hinges, and that's all done. So it's a little bit more work to do it that way, but I've got 3 pieces of plexiglass, and I think it'll work out nice, even with just 2 windows. So anyway, oh, dark shadows. Anyway, oh, one of my pears fell. Oh my word. Huh. Wonder how that happened. I was just out here a little while ago and it was fine. It was hanging right there. That's weird. Well, I'll take that in the house with me. And I'm going to be picking that apple up right at the top right there, that Gala apple. I'll pick that tomorrow. These are just starting to turn red down here on the Fujis. I watered all of this today and got it really soaked in really good. So I wanted to show you that. My cucumbers are still growing here. I got 2 of them on here. That one that I just showed you, and this littler one right here. And still some flowers, so who knows. And I started picking out some of the rods there, and I moved the plum tree over because I was aerating and pruning tomato plants today. As you can see, you can actually see through here now, and got quite a few tomatoes still on this thing. I found a bunch of ripe ones inside when I was pruning out the dead branches, and popped those in my mouth. They were delicious. And now I can see my carrots. I got a couple more tomato branches to raise up and tie up right down there, but it's not totally critical. That's all part of the cherry tomato vine. It's going crazy. I've got some of the cherry tomatoes that grow all the way through, all the way over to that corner, going through the other tomatoes. I still got a little bit more dead leaves right there in the center. I couldn't reach from either side. So I'm going to see if I can get my long reach squeezer crimper type things and reach in there and pluck those off. That's about it. As you can see, the big orange tomato is out on this side now, and I've got some other Romas starting to grow out over here. We'll see how they get out of it. It has been getting down into the upper 40s, mid to upper 40s at night, which is pretty cold for tomatoes, but we'll see. And my potatoes over there doing really well. And my sweet potato, you can't see it from here, but my sweet potato's got about 3 vines coming up now. So that's doing pretty good. And I've still got to cover those 2 potato beds with some straw and chicken poop. And that'll help keep the moisture in, keep the warmth in, so forth and so on. Anywho, that's about all. Tomorrow's the big day with the, I remember to shut the water off up at my totes up high. But yeah, tomorrow's the big day with the FEMA emergency alert thing that's supposed to go on here. And there's, of course, the conspiracy theorists that are out there saying that you know, it's going to turn people into zombies and things like that. But who knows what it's all about. It's just weird that they always choose these things on those significant days, like 9/11, and this one is 10/4. Yeah, 10/4. 10/4, good buddy. And just weird that they do stuff like that. So who knows? I'll take precautions anyway, just to be sure. But I'm not going to fret too much, because I didn't get the jab, any of the jabs. So I'm not concerned with turning into a zombie. And for those of you who do turn into a zombie, it was nice talking to you. All right, I'm shutting the water off here. All right, guys, quit crowding me. I know you all want head scratches, but one hand is occupied right now, so you have to wait. All right. I got to do something with those 3 buckets there. I keep stacking them. They keep knocking them over. And I'm going to do a quick cleanup around here for get ready for the winter months, and see how things go. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me. Don't forget your thumbs ups. Don't forget to share and subscribe. This is G Bear signing off.